Hello students, in this video we are going to solve x square plus x times square root of x plus 1 minus 2 times x plus 1 and this is equals to 0. Here we will find out the value of x. Now in this question we will apply substitution method. Here look carefully, square root of x plus 1 and x plus 1. If we substitute square root of x plus 1, this is equals to m. Then this m is greater than equals to 0. Now if we take square both sides, then in left hand side we have square root of x plus 1 and bracket whole square, this is equals to, in right hand side, m square. This square and this square root is cancelled out, then x plus 1, this is equals to m square. And value of x is m square minus 1. Now this x is replaced by m square minus 1. Then here m square minus 1 and bracket power 2 plus, and this x is also replaced by m square minus 1 and square root of x plus 1 is replaced by m. Then here m minus 2 times this x plus 1 is replaced by m square. So here m square, this is equals to 0. Here we will apply a minus b whole square. We know that the algebraic identity a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2 times ab. Here this m square is a and this one is b. Then a square, it means m square bracket power 2 plus b square means 1 square power 2 and minus 2 times a m square and b, that is 1, plus m is multiplied by m square, then we get m power 3, m is multiplied by 1, then we get minus m and minus 2 times m power 3. Here power is 2 and this is equals to 0. We know that the base and exponent rule, a power m bracket power n, this is equals to a power m times n. If we apply this rule, this m and n are multiplied to each other. Then this 2 and this 2 is multiplied. Then m power 4 plus 1 power 2, that is 1, minus 2 times m power 2 and plus m power 3 minus m minus 2 m power 2 and this is equals to 0. Here m power 4 and m power 3 minus 2m square minus 2m square, that is minus 4m square and minus m plus 1, this is equals to 0. Here this is biquadratic equation, that is m power 4 plus m power 3 and minus 4m square minus m minus 4m square minus m plus 1. Now look carefully this biquadratic equation. If this equation, if we divide by m square and here m square not equals to 0, this implies m not equals to 0. Then if we divide both sides m square, then in left hand side m square is divided by, m power 4 is divided by m square, then we get m square plus m power 3 is divided by m square, then we get m minus 4 times m square divided by m square, then we get 4. And here minus m is divided by m square, then we get minus 1 over m, plus 1 is divided by m square, then we get 1 over m square, and this is equals to 0. Now if m square and this 1 over m square write together, then m square plus 1 over m square and this m and minus 1 over m minus 1 over m minus 4, and this is equals to 0. Here look carefully this expression, m square plus 1 over m square, m minus 1 over m. If we substitute m minus 1 over m, this is equals to y. Then if we take square both side, then in left hand side m minus 1 over m bracket power 2, this is equals to y square, and here we will apply a minus b whole square. Then we get m square plus 1 over m square minus 2 m is multiplied by 1 over m, and this is equals to y square. Then here this m and this m is cancelled out, then m square plus 1 over m square minus 2, this is equals to y square. Then m square plus 1 over m square, this is equals to y square plus 2. Now m square plus 1 over m square is replaced by y square plus 2, y square plus 2 plus, and m minus 1 over m is replaced by y, so here y minus 4, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully, this is quadratic equation, that is y square plus y plus 2 minus 4, that is minus 2, and this is equals to 0. Here we will apply middle term split, y square plus y minus 2, this is equals to 0. Y square, this plus y is same as 2y minus y minus 2, this is equals to 0. Here y square plus 2y. Look carefully, if we take common y, then y square is divided by y, then we get y plus 2 times y is divided by y, then we get 2. And here if we take common minus 1, then here y plus 2, and this is equals to 0. Y plus 2, y plus 2. If we take common y plus 2, then y minus 1, and this is equals to 0. We know that if a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. Then y plus 2, this is equals to 0, y minus 1, this is equals to 0. Then here value of y is minus 2, and here value of y is plus 1. Here we have two possible values of y. Let us consider this is case first and this is case second. Case first, y is equals to minus 2, and we know that value of y is m minus 1 over m. M minus 1 over m, this is equals to minus 2. Here if we multiplied both side m, then in left hand side this m and this m is multiplied, then m square, and this m is multiplied by minus 1 over m, then we get minus 1, and this minus 2 times m, if we take in left hand side, then this is plus 2 times m, and this is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation, m square plus 2m minus 1, this is equals to 0. Here we will apply quadratic formula. We know that value of a is 1 and value of b is 2 and value of c is minus 1, and quadratic formula m is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac and divide by 2a. Then m is equals to minus, and this b is replaced by 2. Then here 2 plus minus square root of b square means 2 square minus 4 times a, that is 1, and c, that is minus 1, and divide by 2 times a, that is 1. Then value of m is equals to minus 2 plus minus square root of, here 2 square is 4 and minus 4 is multiplied by minus 1, then we get plus 4. 4 plus 4, that is 8. Here 8 divided by 2. M is equals to, we know that square root of 8 is same as 2 times square root of 2. Then minus 2 plus minus this square root of 8 is same as 2 times square root of 2 and divided by 2. Now this M is equals to, we know that a plus b over c, this is equals to a over c plus b over c. If we apply this rule in right hand side, then minus 2 over 2 plus minus 2 times square root of 2 divided by 2. Then value of m is this 2 and this 2 is cancelled out, then here minus 1 plus minus this 2 and this 2 is cancelled out, then here square root of 2. Here we have two possible values of m is equals to minus 1 minus square root of 2, and second value of m is minus 1 plus square root of 2. But look carefully, minus 1 minus square root of 2 is negative and this is positive because square root of 2 is greater than 1. Now here m is greater than equals to 0. So it means m cannot be negative. So if m cannot be negative, it means this value of m is rejected. Here value of m is square root of 2 minus 1. Now we know that we will find out the value of x, and value of m is square root of x plus 1. So this m is replaced by square root of x plus 1. This is equals to square root of 2 minus 1. Now if we take square both sides, then in left hand side this square root is cancelled out by this square, then x plus 1. This is equals to, and in right hand side we will apply a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2 times a, that is square root of 2, and b, that is 1. Then x plus 1, this is equals to, this square root is cancelled out by this square, then 2 plus 1 minus 2 times square root of 2. Here look carefully, in left hand side we have plus 1 and in right hand side we have plus 1. Then this plus 1 and this plus 1 is cancelled out. Then value of x is 2 minus 2 times square root of 2. Here this is first value of x. Now we know that second case, that is value of y is 1. If y is equals to 1, and we know that value of y is here m minus 1 over m. So this y is replaced by m minus 1 over y. This is equals to 1. Now if we multiplied both side m, then this m is multiplied by this m, then m is square minus m is multiplied by 1 over m, then m and this m is cancelled out, then here minus 1, and this m if we take in left hand side, then minus m, this is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation, m square minus m minus 1, this is equals to 0. Here we will apply quadratic formula. Here value of a is 1, value of b is minus 1, and value of c is minus 1. And we know that quadratic formula, minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then m is equals to minus, value of b is minus 1 plus minus square root of, value of b is minus 1 square minus 4, value of a is 1 and value of c is minus 1, and divide by 2 times a, that is 1. Then m is equals to, minus is multiplied by minus 1, then we get 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square, that is 1, minus 4 times minus 1, that is 4. 4 plus 1, that is 5, and divide by 2. Here two possible values of m. First value of m is 1 if we take positive sign, square root of 5 divided by 2, and second value of m is 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. This expression is negative. This expression is negative because square root of 5 is greater than 1. So numerator is negative and numerator is divided by positive number, and we know that numerator is negative. So negative number, if we divide by positive number, then we get negative number. So it means this value is negative, and it is given here m is greater than equals to 0. So this means this value is rejected. Here value of m is 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. M is equals to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now this m is replaced by square root of x plus 1. This is equals to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. If we take square both sides, then in left hand side, this square root is cancelled out by this square. Then x plus 1, this is equals to, here we will apply base and exponent rule. A over b bracket power m. This is equals to a power m divided by b power m. If we apply this rule here, then 1 plus square root of 5 bracket power 2 and divided by 2 power 2, that is 4. X plus 1, this is equals to, in numerator we will apply a plus b whole square, 1 square plus square root of 5 square plus 2 times a, that is 1, and b square root of 5 and divide by 4. Then x plus 1, this is equals to 1 square is 1 plus square root is cancelled out by this square, then here 5 plus 2 times square root of 5 over 4. Here x plus 1, this is equals to 6 plus 2 times square root of 5 over 4. Then x plus 1, this is equals to, in numerator if we take common 2, then 3 plus square root of 5 divided by 4. X plus 1, this is equals to, this 4 is divided by 2, then we get 2, and this 2 is divided by 2, then we get 1. So here 3 plus square root of 5 over 2. If this plus 1, if we take in right hand side, then this is negative 1. Then in right hand side, left hand side, we have x. X is equals to 3 plus square root of 5, and here negative 2, this is equals to 2. Then x is equals to square root of 5 plus 1 over 2. This is our final answer. Students, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you.